Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to connect your Godaddy email to your Gmail account. By doing this, you can manage all your emails in one place, save time, and never miss an important message. Whether you're using Godaddy for business or personal emails, this method will help you streamline your workflow. Once you have your Godaddy email ready, open your Gmail account in a browser. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon for Settings, and then select See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can manage all your Gmail options. From here, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section is where Gmail allows you to add additional email addresses, import emails, and manage how you send messages. Look for the section that says Send Email As and click on Add Another Email Address. A new window will pop up asking for your email information. Enter your Godaddy email address in the field and make sure to check the box that says Treat as an alias. This ensures Gmail treats your Godaddy email as part of your account. Then click Next Step. Gmail will send a verification email to your Godaddy inbox. Now go to your Godaddy email inbox. You should see an email from Gmail asking you to confirm the connection. Open that email and click the verification link. This confirms that you own the email and allows Gmail to start sending and receiving messages from your Godaddy account. Once verified, you're all set. You can now send emails from Gmail using your Godaddy address, and any emails sent to your Godaddy email will appear in your Gmail inbox. This makes managing multiple accounts much easier and ensures you have everything in one place. And that's it. Connecting your Godaddy email to Gmail is simple, saves time, and keeps you organized. Thank you for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.